So Huawei is doing something very interesting. They're making a rotating phone. So they just recently got this patent, and any other company at this point, whenever they file a patent that's like kind of crazy, I'm starting to realize that like you can kind of throw that away. Like, yeah, these companies probably aren't creating these cell phones just because they're so wild and wacky that they're probably never going to actually work / really become a thing. Huawei is the opposite. I mean, they came out with the first foldable phone. At this point, anything's on the table with them. So I wouldn't be surprised if they just go crazy and actually go with this patent. But what this is at first when you look at this, it looks like a tri-foldable phone, right? You got one layer here, you got two, and then you got three. Well, that third one, that third little stack at the bottom here, is actually not a screen. It's actually a protective case, they say. And pretty much what it is it is just there to protect the phone, which is literally very self-explanatory. It's a protective case, right? So here's the big kicker of the situation. So it folds out like a normal, regular foldable phone. So for example, you have two screens. It folds out. You have your outside screen, your inside screens right here. But this is where the weird thing happens. It's a rotating cell phone. So this screen that pops out right here, you can rotate it 360 degrees. So you could have, on the front, one display, on the back, another display, and rotate it vice versa to get whatever you want to go ahead and look at. So it's weird, different. And I guess that's cool. Because what you can do with it, if you really wanted to, then if you rotate it, you can actually rotate it and use it like a camcorder. Like hold it like, kind of like a Z Flip device, except like an actual full-on camcorder in a way, using the front-facing camera. So, I don't know. It's ideas like this that just kind of shakes up the industry, and people kind of don't know what to think. But, hey, listen, if they want to go for it, I'm all power forward, okay? At this point, Huawei, if you want to just go out there and spend millions of dollars on, phones that are crazy and exotic, I am all for it, and I am ready to rock and roll and see how it looks, because it's a cool concept. It's a cool idea, cool concept. I don't know how, plausible it is, but it's kind of like the tri-foldable phone they released. Is anyone actually going to buy the tri-foldable phone, like majority of the public? No. Is anyone ever? Probably not. Even if that thing became mainstream and that thing became very, globally available, probably not. Now, the most recent reports, by the way, thanks to Mr. Who's the Boss on YouTube, he actually reported that they're thinking about going international or global with the tri-foldable phone. So the Huawei Mate XT, yeah, they're going to go global with that. And you might be able to pick it up eventually down the line in America. Not saying you would. Not saying you would spend $3,000 on it. But if you wanted to, eventually that might be coming to America. And in America near you. All supplies less. Viewers discretion is advised. Don't buy it. That's my disclaimer. Don't buy it. Yeah. This also might be happening. Shout out to Huawei. Pushing the envelope. Oh, also, Huawei can't sell in America. Get rid of my point completely. They are going international and they are going globally, but they cannot sell in America. They're banned from America. That's the problem with Huawei. They're banned from America because the fact that they was it hacking? Not hacking. They were giving away secrets or whatever. Their devices could be hacked and give away secrets. So they're not allowed in America. So scratch that America point. But Canada and any other country, yep, you might be getting it. And if it gets released in Canada, you could pretty much get it in the United States. Except for the fact you can't use a US carrier on that device because it is banned. So you could just use it as a regular, phone. But you can't use it as an actual phone. Like, you can use it as, like, a media consumption device, but that's it. Wi-Fi only, period. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.